A new law aiming to protect domestic violence victims in the state of Illinois is now officially on the books. Governor Pritzker signed Karina's law today. Our Andrew Ramos is in the newsroom with details on this legislation that honors the memory of a mother from Little Village. Andrew?
Hey, Marie. Now, Karina Gonzalez was shot and allegedly killed by her husband back in July 2023. It's a tragedy that advocates have said could have been prevented. Now, legislation named in her honor will give victims of domestic violence another layer of protection here in the state. Surrounded by advocates and families impacted by domestic violence, Governor Pritzker signs Karina's law, which will require guns to be removed from the home of an accused abuser when their victim is granted an order of protection in a domestic violence case.
Karina's law will protect survivors of domestic violence and give them comfort, the comfort of knowing that their abuser will not have easy access to firearms.
It's comfort that Manny Alvarez had longed for. He was just 18 years old when police say his father shot his sister Daniela and mom Karina Gonzalez to death inside their Little Village apartment in July of 2023. Alvarez was also shot, but survived. The tragedy happened just 2 weeks after his mother was granted an order of protection against her husband, but it hadn't been served. After the shooting, Alvarez became an advocate pushing for change in the law. His courage to stand up was not lost on state leadership.
Your bravery, your selflessness in the face of tragedy will save lives.
I'm so proud to be from Illinois, where we understand the impact that laws have on our communities, on our people.
My family, who have had to go through some of the worst pain ever imaginable. But I think what makes us different is that we turn that pain into action.
In addition to having law enforcement forcibly remove firearms from an abuser's home, it will also allow anyone seeking an order of protection to ask a judge to issue a search warrant on the alleged abuser. It would be executed within 96 hours of it being issued.
Here in Illinois, we value your life and the life of your families more than we value your abuser's gun.
Now, Jose Alvarez was charged with 2 counts of murder and 1 count of attempted murder and remains behind bars. Karina's law officially goes into effect on May 11th. Reporting in the newsroom, Andrew Ramos, CBS News Chicago.
Andrew, thank you.